Because you do have a choice about your being. You may not have a choice about where you are or what you look like necessarily or what activities you have, but you do have a choice about your being. And that's really what the process of being is about, is giving it a choice to be, giving it the opportunity to be, and teaching it how to be if necessary. Or getting it to teach itself how. Better. Even better. And so, you see that the simple paper that looks like a simple piece of paper, if you look at it right, the whole universe is open to you. It's all in the folding and the unfolding.